Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install STS for Windows. STS is nothing but Spring Tool Suite. So this IDE, we are going to use it for to build Java applications and Spring Boot applications as well. Okay, this is one of the IDE. It's like Eclipse. Okay, let's get start into so how to download the STS. Just to go to Google and type STS download. So as soon as if you enter STS download, we can able to see tool Spring. Okay, this is one of the website. This is an official website. So here we can see there are a lot of versions. So one is for Linux and one is for Mac and another one is for Windows. We need to install this one into Windows. Just click on this one. So as soon as if you click this one, we can able to see the software is getting download here. The software is getting download here. So let's wait for a few seconds. So one downloads folder. This software is present in a downloads folder. Just to go to downloads. So here we can see the software is downloaded. So this is like a jar file. So what you need to do, just copy and paste it into your personal library. So any one of the personal library like C drive or D drive or anything. Then after that, what you need to do, just you need to give double click here. So once you give double click, so what will happen? So it will get extract into normal files. Okay. So this is the file after extracting STS 4.12.0 release. So if you open this folder, here we can see .exe file. This is the executable file. So you need to click this one. So as soon as if you click this one, it will open the IDE. So here you need to select the workspace, which workspace you need to write your code. So whenever you want to open, so you need to come always D drive and softwares and STS and this folder. So instead of coming to this, what we can do, just give right click here, send it to desktop. Just click on this, send it to desktop. So what you can do, so whenever you want to start STS, directly you can click this icon. Directly you can click this icon so that it will get start. So this is the STS. So here, if you want to create any project, okay, go to new Java project. I'm going to keep it as demo. Here you can select the Java version. So here, just give finish. So this is my Java project. So inside this, I want to write something. Okay, just I'm going to print hello world. You right click here, current class hello. So I need main method. So I'm going to select this option. So in order to print anything in Java, what you need to do, system.out.println, we need to use here. hello world. Just save this file, run as Java application. So here we can see the output of the program. Okay. So this is how we can download and install, and we can run the program. Yeah. Thanks for watching this video, guys.